Hey guys, welcome back. Anyway, quick update, quick video basically. Yeah, I can't leave things alone, can I? So, as you can tell, I got the nose off. I'm actually redoing it. So I'm actually getting fresh paint on it. So I got it all sanded down. Got one layer of primer on it, sanded it again, and got another layer primer on it. It's gonna get sanded one more time before we put the paint on. Show you what else I've been working on. Yeah, I know. I can't leave things alone. Yeah. Dash is tore out again. And the reason being, I'll show you. Okay. Let's show you. And it is freaking warm in here. Can't tell, that's 98. But anyway, I am changing the switches out. Let me put that on. Going back to the normal toggle switches, what I did have in there, which I had a feeling is an experiment. I had these little toggle switches here, and I just do not like these one bit. So I'm going back to the traditional switches on the car, so you can see that. Also, I bought some decals to label all these switches, so I can remember what the switches do. Sometimes I can't remember. I don't know. I can over time, but sometimes it's good to have a label on there. You never know. So, got new switches there. Getting that installed. And what else did I do? Interior. I'm adding more cloth in there. I'm gonna, I don't know if you can tell, back here in the back. The very back right here is just a bunch of metal. So I'm gonna kind of dress the car up a little bit. So I got some carpet. It's really thin carpet, if you will. I'm gonna go in there and make it look a lot better instead of that metal that's back there. It's just, I don't know, just, you open the trunk and it just looks gross. Right now there's a towel back there, but I don't know if you can tell, but it's just, it's not good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a yeah, I just don't like it. So I got that. Then we're gonna kind of dress up the bar here. Probably get some carbon fiber stuff in here. That's, you crawl over the bar, it just, I don't know, just wears down on it and it turns rusty. It's just because you're sliding in and out of the car a lot, and it just wears on that bar. So, and clean up the floorboards, may repaint that as well. So I'm just trying to get the car all good and looking here for the next part of the season. So like I said, got some downtime, I might as well do it. And the trailer, I don't know if I posted pictures on that. Ooh, I came in here and totally redone the whole trailer. So it's got a fresh coat of paint on all the walls. Everything's got repainted. So yeah, so everything's got freshened up on here. Everything's got cleaned out, so it does look nice in here. So anyway, thought I'd just shoot a quick little video here just to show you what I'm doing on the, during the week and stuff. We're just getting things cleaned up and get ready for that last half of the season. So with that, link, subscribe, share, yeah. So maybe we can win some more races here when we get back into it. So with that, I'm out of here until next time. Thanks for watching.